Hello students, I hope you are all well. Okay, today we are going to discuss about trapezium as well as the kite, the remaining type of quadrilaterals. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss about trapezium. We've discussed about rest of the type of quadrilaterals, and now we are going through trapezium. So what is a trapezium? Let me draw its diagram for you. This is a kind of trapezium. Let me name this A, B, C, D. So what is a trapezium? As you can possibly perceive from the figure, it is a quadrilateral. It is a quadrilateral in which only one pair of sides are parallel. It is a quadrilateral in which only one pair of sides are parallel. Okay, that is what we call a trapezium. Okay, so here the parallel sides are AB and BC. What is more to the trapezium? Uh, it's only two pair of adjacent angles are supplementary. Only two pairs of adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, so that means angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree, as well as angle B plus angle C is equals to, this is C not D, angle C is equals to 180 degree. Okay. In this manner, only these two pairs of angles are supplementary. Uh, and one more thing regarding trapezium, there is a special kind of trapezium that is called regular trapezium. In regular trapezium, the non-parallel sides are also equal. Okay, keep in mind that in a trapezium, the parallel sides are never equal. Okay, if the parallel sides become equal, then that will be a parallelogram. Okay, that is not the case with the trapezium. In the trapezium, non-parallel sides are may or may not be equal. If they are equal, then it is called a regular trapezium. If non-parallel sides are not equal, then it is just trapezium. Okay, so that is all for trapezium. Next, what we discuss is kite. Let me draw the diagram for you so that you can understand its design. Okay, I think all of you have flown the kite at some point of your time. For most students, it is yearly culture, and lots of you were flying kite during the lockdown as well. Okay, so this is a basic kite type of quadrilateral. Again, it is a special quadrilateral with some special properties that need to be mentioned. It is a quadrilateral with two pair of adjacent sides as equal. Okay, so one pair is AB length and AD length are equal, and second pair will be BC length and uh, DC length are equal. Okay, AB and AD are equal, BC and BC are equal. Okay. There is one more property. The larger diagonal, the larger diagonal of of kite, larger diagonal will be AC of kite is perpendicular bisector of the smaller diagonal. Okay, larger diagonal of the kite AC is perpendicular bisector of smaller diagonal. Smaller diagonal is BD. Okay, that means if I say that this point is E, that means BE and DE are of equal length as well as AC line is perpendicular to BD. Okay,